international border of India. India is a country. If India is a country, then it has neighbors, and neighbor has India and its neighbors. They are dissociated or they are connected with a river. Some many places. If I take India with Sri Lanka, then they are connected. They are connected through a Park Strait. It is called PALK Park Strait. Okay, so that is a series of islands. First one is, I believe, Rameswaram. Okay, that is Dhanuskodi is attached to it, and then going forward, 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 then someone would read Jaffna region of Sri Lanka. So this is how India and Sri Lanka are connected to each other. India and Maldives through Kerala, they are connected to each other. India and India, Maldives, and India and Lakshadweep. Again through Kerala, they are connected. Certainly there would be island in between. India and Pakistan. India and India and China. Okay, are there is a boundary, river boundary. We are talking about river boundary, river connecting two countries. The topic is river connecting two countries, where one country among the two countries is India. So India, Pakistan, India, Afghanistan, but practically there is no boundary meets India and Afghanistan. Theoretically, Afghanistan is neighbor of India. Theoretically, India and China, India and Nepal, India and Bhutan, India and Burma, India and Bangladesh. So these are the neighbor of India, and they are, if they are connected through river. Okay, India and Bangladesh, because this is in hot news nowadays. So India and Bangladesh, are they really connected through a river? The answer is yes. They are connected. One river divides India, West Bengal, and Bangladesh. The name of the river is Ichchamati. Okay, Ichchamati. Ichchamati is a river that divides West Bengal and Bangladesh. Now, Ichchamati is a division. Sorry, Ichchamati is a new district that's cut down from, I believe, 24 North Pargana or something, that is a district. Now, the new district has come as Ichchamati. So, India, Ganga is one of the river. Every river has a delta region. Delta region means river, now it's bifurcates into many rivers. If river starts, then there are many tributary to the river. Many river comes and meet the river. But if river goes and meet the sea, ocean, then river starts branching into many rivers. So one of the river, the first river that branches out of the Ganga is Hooghly, Hooghly River. That is along the Hooghly River. The state is West Bengal. Then it proceeds further, and Ganga bifurcates. Ganga branches out into many rivers before it meets Brahmaputra. So once Hooghly comes out of the Ganga, then Ganga name changes. Now it is no more Ganga, and name becomes Padma. Padma is the river that begins from there. Then another river that comes out of the Padma is Mathbhanga. Mathbhanga. So Mathbhanga is a river that comes out of the Ganga and it flows south. Mathbhanga, after some time, it again branches into two. So Bengal is Bang. It is called Bang. Someone can consider as a Bang. Bang means where river breaks. Okay, there are two terms for the Bang. Bang means Brahmaputra and Ganga. The reason that is Brahmaputra and Ganga. If you combine Brahmaputra and Ganga, whatever region forms, that region is called Bang region. Bengal, Bang region. Okay, there is a Ang region in Bihar. Ang means where B is silent. Bang only but B is silent. Ang means Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra is silent. Means the Ang region is a region that is similar to Bang, but Brahmaputra essence is silent. But it's not completely gone. So Ang region is in Bihar is similar to Bang region, Bengal. So it is, that's how it is similar. Two letter word there, two letter word here also. B is missing. So it is only Ganga region. No means no, it is not there. B is not there. But other meaning of Bang is Bhang also. Bhang means breaking. So river starts breaking, Ganga starts breaking. So one branch is that Matbhanga. Matbhanga breaks from Ganga, and Matbhanga itself breaks into two rivers. One is Ichchamati and one is Churni. So Churni comes out and it meets Hooghly river back. So if this is Ganga, if this is Ganga, if this is Ganga, then Hooghly river comes out of the Ganga and flows south. This is Hooghly river. Then there is a Matbhanga river that comes out of Ganga, and later it breaks into two. Churni river go and meet Hooghly, and Ichchamati flows south. So Matganga and then Ichchamati. This makes the more or less boundary between Bangladesh and India or West Bengal. So Ichchamati later it flows in India. Many places it flows in India, but near along the boundary. So Ichchamati is the river that is the boundary between India and Bangladesh. Now, what about India and Burma? India and Nepal. So India and Nepal, there is a river called Kali River. So Kali River is the river that connects Uttarakhand region of the India and Nepal. Kali River. So Kali River is known for catfish also, which are 2 meter long, and they eat human also. I believe Kunj or something it is called. I'll see it. So that is Kali River. Kali River flows north to south, and it connects Uttarakhand region and Nepal region. So that then finally it is also called Sarda River, and it finally it meets the Ghaggar River. What about India and Pakistan? So India, Pakistan, if I see north to south, then first is Jhelum River. So Jhelum River, it it connects Khyber Pakhtunkhwa of Pakistan and Jammu and Kashmir of India, theoretically. But practically, that Muzaffarabad region went into Pakistan. Otherwise, Jhelum River is, is kind of connects the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Pakistan and Jammu Kashmir. If you come down, then Chenab River crosses. If you come down, then Ravi River. For some duration, Ravi River becomes border. If you come down, then for some duration, Satluj River becomes the border. But main river which actually connects India and the Cholistan region of the Punjab region, mainly that Cholistan region of the Punjab of Pakistan and India, that Indian Punjab, that river is called Ghaggar River. Ghaggar River originates in Himachal Pradesh, and then it flows and it makes boundary between Haryana and Punjab. Then it makes full boundary, that is Ghaggar. So Haryana and Punjab, they are connected through a river. It's not continuous river. So Ghaggar River, and then Ghaggar River flows south and little bit west, and then it makes the boundary between India and Pakistan all through, and then it go and meet Nara River. Nara River, we'll talk about it. There is something called the Indus River carries so much water that when it is before it is meeting the ocean, it also makes a delta like Ganga and Brahmaputra make the delta. It also break into many branches. One branch is called Bone Ganga. So then Bone Ganga is also called Sir Creek River. So in that Bone Ganga, there is a one river meets, that is Nara River. So in the Nara River, that the Ghaggar River. So Ghaggar River had two sides. One is north side and south side. South side is called Hakra River. So Hakra River go and meet the Nara River. So Nara River, that Nara River is actually boundary between India and Pakistan. So more or less, Ghaggar is the boundary between India and Pakistan. We will see more boundary exist. Okay, so in West Bengal, Ichchamati district is coming up, and it is in Bangaon subdivision. Okay, so between India and Burma, the river is Kaladan River. Kaladan River, and Kaladan River flows in Mizoram state of India. This side, and that side it is on Chin state and Rakhina state. Chin state and Rakhina state along the Burma, and here Mizoram state mainly it flows. It is also called, this is Kaladan River. It is also called Kisap Nadi. Kisap Nadi, Bino, Kolodine, these are the name of the river, and it is 450-kilometer river. Okay, this is one of the kind of one of the rarest river among the five big rivers. This 450 kilometer is a big river. One of the rarest river in the world where still damming has not happened. There is no dam on the river, but Indian government is planning to make the dam. Anyway, I don't know what development Indian government has done. Population is on top scale. Employment is 90%. Anyway, now the next river. So in the Kaladan River, Tiu River joins it, and it meets the sea at Sitaway. Sitaway. So everything in Burma. Okay, it flows through, making boundary between Mizoram and Burma. Then it flows through more or less near boundary between Bangladesh and Burma, Chattagaon region. Then Burma side and Arunachal Pradesh side, more or less they are divided through a hill, mountain range. But along the mountain range on the Burma side, this you can say more or less boundary of India and Burma, north side. This river, Kaladan River, is on south side of India and Burma. North side of the is Arunachal Pradesh, and that side Burma. That river is that river is Chindwin River, very famous river, Chindwin River. And Chindwin River, that finally it meets the Irrawaddy River. So Irrawaddy River is like Ganga of the India, full agriculture, Irrawaddy River. India and Nepal, that is Kali River, Sarda River, 480 kilometers. Catfish, it is called gunch. It eats human. So that is infamous fish. It is 2 meter, 2 meter in the length. That fish. Okay. So that is infamous river there. Then India and Pakistan we talked all about, and Ghaggar River is the main river that kind of connects India and Pakistan. So then we have Ichchamati River, and that connects the India and Bangladesh. So there are rivers that India and Bhutan also, but I have seen in the map that it is not a, sometime maybe 50 kilometer, 100 kilometer they would make a boundary, but we cannot include that river in a way that it makes real boundary between India and Bhutan, because Bhutan, the lower boundary is like a river comes from Himalaya, it will bisect it. So this Kali river is around 480 kilometer or something like that before it meets the Ghaggar river. Okay, so this is how the India and its neighborhood are connected through river. Very nice. Anyone can go and see. Out of which river is the most scenic river? All rivers are very scenic river. I believe Ichchamati. Ichchamati, between West Bengal and Bangladesh, it is highly scenic river. No one would miss Ichchamati. Anyway, and then the river Kaladan River, I have seen in the video on social media, Kaladan River between Mizoram and Bangladesh, that river is also very scenic river. It is that scenic that still dam is not possible there. Means that much hilly and mountainous that river is very, but there is no comparison of Ichchamati. You can see it. I have not seen personally, but even if you see photograph, it is amazing. It is that amazing that West Bengal now created a district in the name of Ichchamati. So go and visit Ichchamati.